This was our 2023 New Year's dinner. Definitely hit the spot. As you can see, my plate was adorned with all the fixings. So let's start by preparing the fresh collards, which is quite easy to do. You first start with deveining the collards and washing the leaves. Then place them into a pot, add chicken stock and water to cover, as so. As you can see, you're just adding enough liquid to cover the collards. If you add any less, they will not all cook. So it's important to add enough liquid so that you're getting everything covered and everything will cook evenly. Next, I like to add crushed pepper flakes to mine just to season. Cover and cook on medium heat until tender, which is about an hour. Be sure that you dip the side of the pot to get the pot liquor. That is where some delicious flavor is. Now it is time to cook black-eyed peas and homegrown Crowder peas. The hog jowl is a must. Basically, you just place it into a single layer in an iron skillet and cook on medium-low heat. You don't want to cook it too fast or it can become too hard. Next up is the crackling cornbread, which you just mix your cornbread like you usually do by adding cracklings, making sure that you have plenty in your cornbread. This is the best cornbread I have ever had. Place it into the oven. You know we're getting that perfect crunchy exterior. Look at those cracklings inside. That is what you want to see. So now we're basically ready to have our meal. Just like that, we're ready to start the new year. What a perfect way to start this new year with a traditional Appalachian New Year's meal. Does anyone eat mayonnaise on their peas? I know a few that do.